everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and you all have been loving my favorites videos for the past 3 years, so I figured I might as well continue doing it for a 4th year in a row. If you have missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have them linked down below for you guys. And as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's just get started. Starting off with my beauty and fashion favorites, the first one is just on me right now, and it is this scarf. This is part of the Active by Apana line. It is a yoga-based brand, and I am not sure where it came from because I got it as a gift. However, I am pretty sure that they sell them at NORDSTROM. It is just burgundy, and it has kind of a netted pattern on one side, and then it is just regular on the other side. And I actually have 2 other scarves that are very similar to this, except one is cream and one is orange, and the pattern is slightly different, and I love them. And so I was super excited when I got this one. Going along with the burgundy trend, another favorite of mine has been my purse. This is just the Michael Kors large travel tote, and it is in the color mulberry, and I actually got this as a Christmas gift, and my stepdad picked it out, and I'm pretty proud of him because I've been wanting one of these bags for probably close to 10 years, and we could never find the one I wanted, and I was really surprised when I opened this one and learned that he had picked it out. If you guys would like to see what is in my purse, definitely let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do a what is in my purse video. I am super thankful for this bag. In terms of beauty, I just have 2 favorites. The first one is just a pack of makeup wipes. These are the Equate Sensitive Cleansing Facial Wipes. They're just the Walmart comparison brand to the Simple Cleansing Wipes, and there are 40 in here, and I think this pack was only like $3. And I always go with the comparative brand to the Simple makeup wipes because they don't make me break out or anything. Going along with another Christmas gift, which, by the way, if you guys have not seen my Christmas haul, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Another gift I got was the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and this has by far been a favorite of mine this month. This is just what the palette looks like, and the shade right here called Subconscious has definitely been the most used contour color for me. And in terms of the powders, I definitely like the banana one, which is called Lyric. If you guys would like to see an updated makeup tutorial from me, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that. Moving on to food-related favorites, I just have 2. The first one is a candy, and these are the Sour Patch strawberry ones. I absolutely love the Sour Patch watermelon, and when I saw these, I got super excited because I've always loved the Haribo strawberry gummies, and I absolutely love these. I found this pack at Walmart, I believe, and I can definitely say they are better than the watermelons. And another food-related item from Walmart that I've been loving is the Starbucks Caramel Macchiato Iced Espresso Classics. For anyone who knows me and has been here on my channel, you guys know that the Starbucks Iced Caramel Macchiato is my favorite drink and one of the only drinks I order from Starbucks. And I found this, and it was $5, which basically is the same price as a venti at Starbucks. And the best part about this is you don't even have to leave your house. Moving on, the rest of my favorites are all pretty random. This one is just a knife. It is the purple Browning Ice Storm knife, and my oldest younger brother got me this as a gift, and I believe he got it at Cabela's. I do not own a pocket knife, and both my brothers and my stepdad do, and I've been talking about wanting one for a long time now, and I finally got one. And it has definitely come in handy when it comes to opening up boxes. I used to use like my teeth or a pair of keys, but now I have an actual knife that I can use. Another gift we got as a family is the Amazon Echo Dot. I love that I can easily play music on it, and that is essentially all I use it for. And of course, another favorite has been one of my new stethoscopes. I did a medical assisting must-haves video, which I will link down below for you guys, and I included this in it. It is the MDF Rose Gold stethoscope with white tubing. I absolutely love this. I love how simple it is. I love the color and everything like that, and I actually do have a full review of this here on my channel, which I will leave down below for you guys, but this has definitely been a favorite. And the best part about MDF is they actually offer free parts for life on your stethoscopes, so if you're going into the medical field and you need a stethoscope, I highly recommend checking them out. And then lastly, I have been loving these Knock Knock pads. The ones I have are the This Week one as well as the Nag Note, and I got the Nag Note one specifically for leaving notes on people's desks in the advising office because I'm in there almost daily and I'm pretty sure they get sick of me, and so I figured that I could easily leave them a Nag Note and that it would be funny. And then for the This Week one, it is basically just a to-do list. You have Monday through Friday and then for next week, and this has come in super handy this semester so far. Even though I've only been in the semester for a few weeks, it definitely helps me keep track of my assignments. So those are my favorites for the month of January. Like I said in the beginning, if you have missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have them linked down below for you guys. If you have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Allie Paca squad and to see new videos from me each week. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!